Welcome to my review of the Canoly Masticating Juicer. Inside this video, we will unbox this, we will set it up step by step, and I'm going to make some carrot apple juice with this juicer. And by the end of the video, you're gonna know why I think it's worth buying. Let's jump right in with the unboxing. When you first open up the box, you're gonna be greeted with a recipe book and a user manual. Then we have two different plastic cups here. This is going to be one for the juice and one for the pulp. And then we have the juicer itself, which really comes in two different parts. We have the base here, and then we have the feeding mouth. As far as accessories go, we have a plunger and we have a cleaning brush. Now, before we set up this juicer and test it out, I must say that I was sent this to review inside this video. However, all my thoughts and opinions are my own. And with that being said, let's set up this juicer and make some carrot apple juice. To set it up, it's fairly simple. You take the top piece here and then you just put it on top of the base until it clicks into place. The juice is eventually going to come out of this spout. You're going to know that because there is a water drop on this side. So you set one cup here and then you set the other cup here for the pulp. And now all we have to do is plug it in and add our veggies. The first thing I have to do is prepare the apple and the carrot. So I'm just going to be using my apple slicer here to slice up the apple. Once the apple is sliced up, I can remove the core. So now that all of our veggies are prepared, we can reach back here, turn on the juicer, and start adding the apple and the carrot to the juicer. Adding all the fruits and veggies at once is also an option because of the large feeding mouth. You can use the plunger to press down on the fruit if it needs it. And we'll just keep on adding it here. You'll notice that the pulp is coming out of this side and the juice is continuing to flow from that side. And now it's time to try the carrot. We'll go ahead and use the plunger on this carrot. And now that everything is done, we'll go ahead and switch it off. This is the pulp that we collected, so quite a bit here just for one apple and one carrot. And this is going to be the juice that we have. According to this, we got about 5 ounces of juice with an apple and a carrot. And now it's time for a taste test. Honestly, not too bad for the first time making juice with this juicer. Cleanup, it's fairly simple. We're just worrying about the top half of the juicer. What we're gonna do here is just separate the different pieces. So we have the top 2 pieces, which are gonna be the feeding mouth and the divider. And then we're actually gonna have this plastic blade here, and this will unscrew from this bottom piece. So in total, we have about 4 pieces to rinse off. And each of the pieces cleans fairly easily. You may need to use the brush to get into some of the hard to reach areas inside the juicer, but not a problem. This piece is also going to be fairly easy to rinse out. And you also may want to use the brush to get into the little crevices of the grater here. But other than that, cleanup is basically done. So now that we thoroughly have tested out this juicer, here are my reasons why I believe this is worth buying. First off, it handled the apples and the carrots with no issues at all. It was quick and simple to make juice, and there was hardly any mess because of these 2 cups here that are going to catch the juice and the remains of the fruits and veggies. I also felt like it was fairly straightforward to take apart and clean. That process really did impress me. As far as noise level, you are going to get some noise with a machine like this, but it's not going to be overpowering. In my opinion, using this juicer was fairly straightforward and easy to understand. It's not going to be the most sleek and modern design, but it is going to get the job done, and it's going to take up minimal counter space. So if you're someone who juices often and are looking for a reliable juicer, then I highly recommend this one by Canoly. In my opinion, it performed better than I expected, and that is the main reason it is worth buying. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helps. My name is David, and if you're into more videos like this, I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos in the home and outdoor categories. So if you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and stick around for when I release my next review.